Hi everyone, today's small group is called Tall Towers, and for this small group you will need interlocking cubes or interlocking blocks. You can use blocks if you have them at home. You can use the cubes that were sent home in your virtual learning bag. You will also need either die or numeral cards with dots representing each number. Next, you're going to talk about the words more and fewer, and also equal. So those terms more, fewer, more, less, equal are difficult for children to understand. So talk about those terms, get your blocks, and build a tower. Say, I am going to build a tower with these 4 blocks I have. Okay. I want to make a tower with fewer blocks, So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to use 2 blocks instead. So this tower has fewer blocks than this tower. This tower is taller than this tower that has fewer blocks. The tower that has more blocks is taller. Next, you're going to take your numeral cards and lay them face down, and you're going to have your child draw a number, and you're going to see if they can recognize the number, and if they can't, count the numeral to count the dots that represent the numeral, and say, let's make a tower with this many blocks. So we're going to make a tower with 3 blocks. So 1, 2, and 1 more, 3. And then you can call and say, I want you to make a tower with more blocks than this one. And see if your child can make a taller tower. Or you can say, I want you to make a tower with fewer blocks than this one. And see if your child can make a tower that's shorter than this one, if they use fewer blocks, and call attention to that. Compare their sizes, say, oh, the blocks with more, or the tower with more blocks is taller than the tower with fewer blocks. And you can continue to have them draw numeral cards. Again, call attention to the number, see if they can recognize the number. Show how you, or model how you count the numeral dots to represent the number. And see if your child can use their cubes they have to build towers with that many blocks. As you're doing this small group with your child, see if they can recognize numbers. How many numbers can they recognize? Have numeral cards to at least 10, 0 through 10. Call attention to the terms more, less, fewer, equal, and count and compare and measure the towers. Have fun.